Question number 1. Seleucus Nicator sent this ambassador Megasthenes to the court of which Indian king? Correct answer is option B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2. Under which article of the Indian Constitution is it the duty of the state to provide free legal aid to the poor? Correct answer is option B. Article 39A. Question number 3. Which Indian state has the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. Question number 4. Which article of the Constitution of India directs the state to make provisions for securing just and human condition of work and for maternity relief as frequently cited by the Supreme Court? Correct answer is option C. Article 42. Question number 5. Which major regional organization adopted the Bangkok Vision to 2030 in 2025, aiming to make the region prosperous, resilient, and open? Correct answer is option C. BIMSTEC. Question number 6. In the Indus Valley civilization, Lothal was famous for which of the following? Correct answer is option B. Dockyard. Question number 7. From which state's coast did the light combat aircraft Tejas successfully conduct its first test firing of the indigenous Astra Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile? Correct answer is option B. Goa. Question number 8. Which of the following is the primary objective of the 88th Constitutional Amendment Act 2003? Correct answer is option A. Provision for service tax. Question number 9. Ustad Bismillah Khan was famous for playing which of the following musical instruments? Correct answer is option C. Shahanai. Question number 10. If a citizen's fundamental rights are violated, under which article can they directly file a petition in the Supreme Court? Correct answer is option C. Article 32. Question number 11. 3.5 megahertz is equal to? Correct answer is option A. 3.5 million hertz. Question number 12. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the Thar Desert? Correct answer is option B. It is located in the northeast of the Aravalli Range. Question number 13. What happens when you turn down the sound on a computer? Correct answer is option C. Sound intensity decreases. Question number 14. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress held in Bombay in December 1885? Correct answer is option C. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 15. Which nutrient is most essential for body construction and repair? Correct answer is option B. Protein. Question number 16. Who was awarded the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Question number 17. In which year was the Food Safety and Standard Act enacted in India? Correct answer is option D. 2006. Question number 18. Which agency in India releases the official data on crimes against women? Correct answer is option B. National Crime Records Bureau. Question number 19. Who discovered the atomic nucleus? Correct answer is option B. Ernest Rutherford. Question number 20. Which of the following Indian states features more than 5 UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 21. Where did the Wahhabi movement in India primarily originate? Correct answer is option B, Rai Bareli, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 22. Which city will host the Centenary Commonwealth Games in October 2030? Correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad, India. Question number 23. Which population control policy was implemented by China in 1979 to limit population growth? Correct answer is option B, one child policy. Question number 24. Which Sultan of Delhi introduced copper or brass coins as the token currency in place of silver coins? Correct answer is option C, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 25. Under which article of the Indian Constitution does the President possess veto power to withhold assent to a bill passed by the Parliament? Correct answer is option B, Article 111. Question number 26. According to a recent Supreme Court judgment, maternity leave for working women has been recognized as a fundamental right under which constitutional provision? Correct answer is option B, Article 21. Question number 27. In which region of India is jhum cultivation primarily practiced, and in contrast, which farming method is more prevalent in northwest India? Correct answer is option B, northeastern India, commercial grain farming. Question number 28. Where is the Indo-Aryan language group believed to have come from to India? Correct answer is option B, Central Asia. Question number 29. Recently, India and Spain signed major trade agreement for defense and infrastructure projects, especially C-295 aircraft complex in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 30. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Correct answer is option C, Aravalli. Question number 31. In which part of the small intestine do bile juice and pancreatic juice mix? Correct answer is option C, duodenum. Question number 32. When was the first national agriculture policy announced in India? Correct answer is option B, 28th July 2000. Question number 33. Which element is more reactive between copper and iron? Correct answer is option A, iron is more reactive. Question number 34. What was the theme of World Mental Health Day observed around October 10 to 12, 2024? Correct answer is option B. It is time to prioritize mental in the workplace. Question number 35. According to the 2011 census, which state in India has the highest population density? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.